So I'm back with another video, and this video is sponsored by a company called SuperbWigs. This is not my first time reviewing for them, you guys, so I could definitely vouch for them when I say this is quality hair. So again, the company is called SuperbWigs. This is the packaging that you guys will receive. I did receive my wig via some company that I am not familiar with. So if you guys know that company that I showed you in the beginning, just let me know down below. So this is the wig itself. This is their Fake Scalp 360 wig. So as you can see my face, because I was looking at the parting space like, what? That parting space is dope. But here is the texture of the hair close up. I will have all of the information down below in the description box in case you guys are wondering. So again, this is a 360 wig. It does have combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and as you can see, it has that amazing fake scalp. This is for the people like me that don't want to bleach their knots and go through all of that crazy stuff and possibly ruin your wig. Here it is, you guys. They pretty much just created something and just did that for us. So of course the wig comes with detachable adjustable elastic band. Okay, you got that? So you definitely can take it off. So here I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like before I cut it. That hairline is really nice. The hair itself is very soft, and as you can see, the parting space is crazy. You get so much parting space in the front of this wig. It's just really nice. I have no complaints. So off camera, I went ahead and adhered my wig to my head using my Bold Hold Active. You guys, if you're looking for like a really good lace glue, I would suggest Bold Hold, because oh my god, like it is amazing. As you can see, this wig looks like it's coming out of my scalp, and this is before I just, I didn't do anything to it. It's just out the box. It's really nice. So this is the part when I struggle, okay? Like, Bold Hold Active is really good, you guys. Like, it does work, but I didn't really like sit down for hours and just let it, dry on my head. So I had to be super careful when I was trying to put these buttons in my hair, and oh my god, like it was such a struggle. As you guys can see, I just kept going back and forth until I got it the way I wanted it. And I really love the results. Like, I absolutely love this wig. I love this whole fake scalp thing, because if you're anything like me, you don't like bleaching knots and all of that other crazy stuff, then this wig is absolutely perfect for you. Again, if you're interested in this unit, all of the links will be down below in the description box. I'm so sorry, y'all. I can't talk. I'm so tired. But yeah, I really love this wig. I have zero complaints, although it did shed just a little. But I actually expect that with my curlier unit. So yeah. Anyway, no more complaints. I'm not saying nothing else. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care when I say, oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell, oh baby? good night.